As carnivores, we don't eat any vegetables, we don't eat anything except animal products. Now, you might wonder, how does my refrigerator and freezer look? This is what I'm going to show you now. Here it is, my huge refrigerator, and this is what is inside. As you can see, it's all, this is meat, and it's the same meat as well. Meat. This is like for 4 days. So yeah, each day a big one of these, put it on the pan and cook it with this amazing 100% organic butter. It's from a farm nearby. And we have here this egg, and also leftover before carnivore beer, waiting for some guests. So if someone come, I will serve them. Of course, they drink beer, much beer. A piece of butter and a piece of cheese and water. Is that it? Nope. There is a very important part of my fridge, which is this one. This is with all of the mineral stuff in this here. So I have here liver. This has livers for the next 2 weeks. And also important, which is very important for minerals, I have this pieces of bones here, and for some shrimp for seafood, and down here some also bones. I love bones, and it's a very important source of minerals. And that's it. This is my fridge.